We are making açma. Açma is a popular rich soft bread or bun we eat for breakfast or as a quick snack you can have with Turkish tea or coffee. Açma means to open. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to give its unique shape similar to the bakeries while making it rich, buttery and soft. I'm going to show you two ways of making the dough. One has a special aromatic spice. And we'll be making 3 types of açmas with different flavors. To my measuring cup, I added 200 ml milk and 400 ml warm water. So my mixture is lukewarm, perfect for yeast. Adding 100 ml vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons sugar, and here I have 30 grams fresh yeast. You can also add 1 package of double acting dry yeast. And I scaled my flour, added 6 cups first. And finally over the flour added 2 teaspoons or 2.5 teaspoons you can add salt. Begin to mix and gradually add more flour until it is still somewhat sticky and soft dough. Mine was total about 6.5 cups to 7 cups of flour. Make sure it is still sticking because we want a soft dough. And before you shape it, drizzle some olive oil or vegetable oil again. Mix it a bit more and then shape it into a ball. Oil the bowl again and cover, let it rise until it doubles. My dough is risen well. Now I'm going to transfer it to my cutting board, and before that I want to oil a little bit. And I'm going to take out my dough and cut into 16 pieces. I have to admit that I thought my cutting board would be enough to work, but it wasn't. So I would recommend you to use either the whole island or shape the balls into a tray. I will show you in a moment when I do the second dough with aromatic spice. So I'm shaping the pieces into balls again. And while doing that, you can either dip your hands into oil, or after shaping, I spread some oil on top and first covered with freezer bag that I opened from the sides. The oil will prevent them sticking, and then another kitchen towel. In my bowl I have butter at room temperature. I had to heat it up a little bit using double boiler, but the bottom part melted a bit more, so it looks 2 colors, but it's the same butter. Just make sure it is spreadable, soft, like a creamy, but at room temperature. Don't melt it all the way. Added about teaspoonful of butter over the balls, as you can see, and now going to begin to open my açmas. It is fun, very easy. You just spread the butter over the dough and open it as much as you can, and then roll and set it aside and continue to do the same to other pieces. Next, beginning from the first one I rolled, I begin to stretch the dough again and then twist, as you can see, from one side while holding from the other. Continue to twist a bit. Do not make it long. We want a thick ring shape, not like simit. And then seal the ends together. And our açma is ready. Let's do one more here. Twist from one side. Then open the one end and place the other one and cover it and seal. After shaping them all, I covered again and let them rise again until it doubles in size for about another half an hour. Traditionally in bakeries here in Turkey, we use mahlep powder, which is an aromatic spice made from the seeds of a species of cherry, Prunus mahlep. So to show you, I prepared the same dough the next day using 2 teaspoons of mahlep powder. You can even add 3. This time I placed my balls into a tray that I oiled and then covered, let it rise again, placed from the butter, and after shaping some of them plain, to some of them after opening with butter, I spread olive paste and then continue to roll. This is another açma type you can see in the bakeries in Turkey. And in the next one, this time I spread a chocolate spread to my açmas after again opening with some butter and then rolled again. After that, beginning from the first one I rolled, I opened again and shaped as I did the plain açmas. Now back to the plain açmas that I made first. My oven is preheated to 190 Celsius degree. I added 2 drops of molasses to my egg yolk. It is optional but gives more color. And brush generously with the egg wash. Sprinkle some nigella seeds if you like. That's how we do traditionally. And bake in the oven until it is golden for about 20 minutes. And these are the ones with mahlep flavored dough and that has olive paste and chocolate spread filling. Okay, it's time to taste. Bismillah. This is very soft, buttery, and has a nice crisp outside. When you shape it, you feel like you add too much butter, but it's not. It melts in the mouth, has a rich taste, but not heavy, beautiful. The one with olive paste filling And this is the one with chocolate spread. We usually eat for breakfast. It is also a street food you can find along with simit. It goes well with tea or coffee, with breakfast. You can serve it with cheese, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, honey, jams. Our regular breakfast at home, so give it a try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Afiyet olsun.